5 thriving businesses to venture in Aba in 2025. Ariaria Market in Aba, Abia State is one of Nigeria's most bustling and lively commercial hubs, known for its rich history, strategic location, and entrepreneurial spirit. The market draws both locals and visitors looking for the best deals, unique products, and high-quality craftsmanship. Let's take a closer look at the top 5 businesses that are thriving in this vibrant market and contributing significantly to the local economy. 1. Shoe manufacturing and trading. When it comes to shoe production, Ariaria Market is an unmatched center of excellence. The market is packed with talented shoemakers who create a variety of footwear ranging from simple sandals to high-end, customer-designed shoes. These artisans blend traditional craftsmanship with modern machinery, producing footwear that is not only stylish but also highly durable. Each shoemaker has developed a meticulous approach to ensure that every pair meets street quality standards, making Ariaria shoes known for their long-lasting wear and comfort. One of the most appealing aspects of the shoe business here is the option for customization. Customers can provide specific measurements and design preferences to create tailor-made shoes that fit perfectly and stand out in style. This personalized service has become a hallmark of the shoemaking trade in Ariaria Market, attracting individuals who seek unique and high-quality footwear. The market is also a significant trading hub for wholesalers and, of course, retailers from various parts of Nigeria and even neighboring countries. These buyers come to Ariaria to source their stock due to its reputation for competitive pricing and the wide variety of shoes available. The market caters to different consumer needs, ranging from budget-friendly options to premium designer brands, making it a prime destination for anyone involved in the footwear industry. 2. Textile trade. Ariaria Market is also synonymous with an extensive textile trade that serves as the livelihood for fashion entrepreneurs and retailers across Nigeria. The market offers a massive variety of fabrics, from vibrant and colorful Ankara prints to luxurious lace and imported materials. Traders and fashion enthusiasts travel to Ariaria to purchase fabrics in bulk, allowing them to sustain their own businesses and meet the growing demands of the fashion industry. The range of textiles available caters to a diverse clientele, including tailors, boutique owners, and large-scale fabric distributors. The availability of high-quality, affordable fabrics has made Ariaria Market a cornerstone for those involved in fashion, sewing, and clothing production. Many traders build long-standing relationships with their fabric suppliers here, ensuring a steady flow of materials that contributes to the success of their businesses. Moreover, the textile trade in Ariaria Market supports a large number of secondary businesses and employment opportunities, such as fabric dyers, pattern makers, and logistic providers who facilitate the transportation of these goods. 3. Tailoring and fashion design. This market is not just about buying fabric, it's where creativity meets skill in the form of tailoring and fashion design. The market is home to a vibrant community of skilled tailors and fashion designers who provide a wide array of services. Customers can bring in their design ideas to be transformed into custom-made garments or browse through a selection of ready-to-wear outfits. Whether it's traditional Nigerian attire for a special occasion, contemporary casual wear, or formal suits, these tailors have the expertise to create well-fitted, high-quality garments that exceed expectations. 4. Electronics and electrical appliances. For electronics and electrical appliances, this market is a go-to destination that brims with activity. The market offers a wide range of electronic items, including household appliances, audiovisual equipment, mobile phones, and other gadgets. Whether you're looking for brand new products or second-hand devices that's still in excellent working condition, Ariaria has options to meet every need and budget. The electronics sector has flourished due to the market's ability to offer reliable products at competitive prices. Local technicians and repair experts contribute to this industry by providing repair services and ensuring that customers get the best for their money. This combination of sales and services enhances customer trust and makes Ariaria a popular choice for those seeking electronic goods. Additionally, the market's central location and well-established network of suppliers have made it an attractive destination for electronics traders who come to stock up on goods for resale. This influx of business has a positive ripple effect, creating more jobs and stimulating economic growth in the surrounding area. And last but not the least, household goods and general merchandise. Aba is a one-stop shop for household goods and general merchandise. The market boasts a wide array of products From essential kitchenware and cleaning supplies to decorative items and furniture, shoppers can find both locally made and imported goods, ensuring that there's something for everyone regardless of budget or taste. The household goods sector benefits from the market's reputation for offering affordable prices and diverse product options. Many residents and business owners in Aba and nearby cities rely on Ariaria Market to supply their shops or meet their everyday needs. This sector's success has also paved the way for small-scale distributors and logistic businesses that help transport and deliver these items across the region. Ariaria Market's diverse business scene highlights its role as an economic powerhouse in Aba, from handmade shoes and luxurious fabrics to custom-tailored fashion and essential household items. The market is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of its traders. These thriving businesses not only fuel the local economy but also reinforce Ariaria's reputation as a commercial gem that continues to attract entrepreneurs and shoppers alike in Aba. This is Ebony People TV, and we'll see you in our next video.